Friday, December 18th. Time for the Florida Lottery's Jackpot Triple Play and Fantasy 5 games. Hello, I'm Randy Trainer. Tonight's Jackpot Triple Play is worth $300,000. Here come your winning numbers. Let's start things off with 28. Next up, 17. That's followed by 8, 24, 37, 8, 24, 44, and 26. Now let's play Fantasy 5, where you can win hundreds of thousands of dollars. Tonight's winning Fantasy 5 numbers: 11, 2, 15, 33, and round things out with 13. Once again, tonight's winning Jackpot Triple Play: 28, 37, 8, 24, 44, and 26. Your Fantasy 5 numbers are 11, 2, 15, 33, and 13. Have a great night, Florida, and good luck.